In a tech-dominated world, keeping our devices running smoothly is more important than ever. The Right to Repair Act is a game-changing law that supports consumer rights and competitive markets. This legislation empowers consumers and repair shops to fix and modify electronic devices, challenging the manufacturer-controlled landscape. Renew Biomedical is a third-party medical device repair company, and because of the Right to Repair Act, they provide a cost-effective alternative to original equipment manufacturers, or OEMs. This act not only legitimizes repair organizations, but also empowers consumers, breaking the OEM monopoly, and it opens up a market offering more choices based on accessibility, efficiency, and customization to suit the needs of budgets. Despite intellectual property, safety, and security challenges, the growing support for the Act signals a shift toward a more open and repair-friendly market. The Right to Repair Act is more than a legal framework. It's a movement towards a sustainable, consumer-friendly technology repair. For organizations like Renew Biomedical, it's an opportunity to reshape the repair industry, offering alternatives and often better consumer choices. As we move forward, the Right to Repair Act will play a vital role in maintaining our tech devices, representing a voice for a connected and sustainable future for millions of consumers and companies.